noise cancelling.
Waiting for the calm down. Walk this way with me. I'm doing this late. Just glad that I can breathe. Yeah, I'm trying to realize it's alright to now be fine on your own.
Release of the SONY WF-1000XM4 True Wireless Earbuds, the question now becomes who has the best active noise cancelling earbuds on the market. While the AirPods Pro have mixed reviews as far as their sound quality, there's no question that the convenience they bring to the Apple ecosystem, along with their impressive call quality, makes them hard to beat. Not to mention their active noise cancelling ability is still some of the best around. And while the sound quality of the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds is not exactly my personal favorite, they do provide you with a very clean, accurate, and enjoyable sound, and there's absolutely no debating that they deliver some of the most effective active noise cancelling that you can get in a pair of true wireless earbuds. Get them paired up, so let me take these out of here, get them paired up to my phone. So basically, while that's pairing, what it is, if you have the voice assistant on your phone activated, it will not work. So basically, if you have the voice assistant activated, only the right earbud can be used independently, which sucks. I mean, I guess if you use the voice assistant pretty often, for you that sucks basically. But for me, I pretty much never use the voice assistant feature on any earbuds. It's just not for me. So when I paired mine up and got them connected, that's why I didn't have any issues. So what you want to do, you want to go into the Sony app, and in here on the, what is it, the system tab right there, you got 3 different tabs. You got status, if my camera will focus, you got status, sound, and system. Is trying to focus on my finger. But anyway, where it says voice assistant, you want to have that selected on do not use. So that's what mine is set to. So let's go ahead. All right, so the earbuds are playing right now. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. Anyway, I'm going to take the right earbud, put it in the case, close the case.
Waiting for the calm down. Walk this way with me. I'm doing this late. Just glad that I can breathe. Yeah, I'm trying to realize it's alright to now be fine on your through. Ain't got much to do. Too old for my hometown. I went to bed at noon. Couldn't put my phone down. Scrolling facially. It's all the same to me. Just faces on the screen. Hey, I'm trying